Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys why it's important to buy carrots, especially when they restock it a lot in the update. So as you can see, there's a lot and you're just going to purchase it, and it's important because you'll need this for like daily tasks and grow a garden. So you're just going to want to purchase a lot of carrot seeds in the admin event. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Don't forget to buy your carrots. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.